Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Refilis Vego. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video tutorial will be how I do my hairstyle, my daily hairstyle, more especially when I'm in a rush or when I have to go somewhere quickly and I don't have time to style my hair with gel and so on. Please stay tuned in, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment down below what you think about the hairstyle and what you recommend me to do next time. Okay, let's get into it.
So what I normally do first is that I use my Afro comb to just comb my hair so that it can be easier for me when I open a line or when I tie my bun. Yeah, so I just comb my hair. So next I'll be using my water. Yeah, that's just my water bottle there. There's water inside. I didn't mix anything, just plain water to just make my hair soft. Yeah, so that can be, it also helps with opening a line. Yeah, to just get things done quickly. And next I'll be using my scalp and hair oil. This is a Nelly Nature product. I love this product. It helps with scalp treatment. It treats your scalp, basically what I'm trying to say. It repairs damaged hair. It helps with dandruff. If you have dandruff, this will be essential and good for your hair. And it helps with hairline. I also struggled a while with hairline, but now my hairline is getting there. I wouldn't say it's popping, but it's definitely getting it there, all thanks to this beautiful product here. Yeah, and then I just moisturize my hair with it, just to make my hair tacky, just to have like a product on it so that I can be able to do my style. Yeah, just apply that oil all over my hair, and as you saw, I also applied it also on my hairline at the front over there. I apply it. Yeah. Next I'll be using my comb. I'm not sure what do we call this comb. Please leave a comment down below and tell me what do we call this comb. For some reason I just forgot it over there. Yeah, so I use this comb. It's very good and it's big for a reason, more especially with natural hair. You need this comb over here to comb your hair and to open that lines. Yeah, I normally don't do my lines straight in a way, but as long as my hair is neat, I'm good to go. Yeah, but you can always make your lines more straighter than what I did. Yeah. So next I'll be combing the back of my hair so that it can be easy for me to tie my hair at the back. And then I go in with my Afro comb. Yeah, it's very good as well. Just to straighten that hair. Yeah, you just need to play around with both of the combs. My hair, like, I don't know if you do experience this as well. My hair just gets tricky when I use just only one comb, so I find it most it's easier to just use two combs, different combs, to be specific. Yeah. And then I go in and tie my hair with my black ribbon. I fix it nicely so that everything can be intact. Yeah, so that when I tie my hair, it's gonna be more easier for me when I actually tie it. And then I go on with my afro comb and comb my pony to just pop a bit. Just bring in that volume and to make it neat as well. And then I use my hand to just pat it around, just to put it intact. And then there's just a green comb that I use. It helps my hair a lot. So I'm not good with this baby hair trend that has been going on for years. So to be honest with you, I do not do a baby hair, but I am open to trying. So definitely on my upcoming more videos or rather tutorials, I will be doing the baby hair. And I'm gonna use my brush just to lay my hair down, and also my hairline. So yeah guys, that's basically it for what I do on my everyday hairstyle routine. Yeah, I basically do this hairstyle. Yeah, and then there are a lot of hairstyles that I will be definitely posting on my channel, just to help your ladies out there who are struggling with natural hair, for hairstyles most especially. Yeah, so that's basically it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tutorial. Like if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Support a sister over here. Yeah, that's it. That's the final looks, sweeties. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time on my channel. Bye.